This is this is New York City here. So today I want to show you this weekend with Spark versus Bissell. I'm gonna run both, and there my phone's charged. Okay, so there's the Bissell, here's the Spark. But so what I'm gonna do is move this camera. So I'm gonna plug it in. First, we're gonna start with the Spark. So that's the Spark. So the Bissell. Actually, I'm gonna plug it in, see how it works. So I'm gonna plug it in. So there's the Bissell. Here it goes. Here goes the Bissell. Okay, I'm gonna move the Spark. So here it goes. Oh, sorry about that. So here's the Bissell. Here it goes. That's the Bissell. So let's see. Let's see what wins. So that's the Spark, and that's the Bissell. So whoever wins, the Bissell, and so that's the Bissell wins, and there's the Spark. The Spark wins, and also both of them are they be great. So the Spark, and the Bissell. Okay, now look at all this fluffers. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget.